How's everybody doing today? Matt Troyes here, and today I'm going to show you how to put together your very own weightlifting bar from Gold's Gym from start to finish. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, so I'm going to show you how to put this bar together. It's quite simple. We're going to unbox it and take a look what we have inside. All right, here we go. All right, we have our weightlifting bar here. Let's see what comes inside. It has a comfortable knurled grip. Fits standard plates, so that's 1-inch plates. It comes with 2 spin lock collars and it's 3-piece assembly. Weights are sold separately. So no weights are included in this box. Just the bar. We're going to put this bar together. Let's see what's inside. So that's the middle part of the bar, right here. That's one side of the bar. The other side of the bar. Followed by the 2 spin lock collars and directions on how to put it together. As you can see, we're going to hammer in the middle part with 2 roll pins that they provide. Now I have a mini sledgehammer I'm going to use. Let's take everything out of the plastic. So this is one side of the bar. As you can see here, this is one side. It has a rubber stopper here so that when you put the weights on, it doesn't hit the metal. Here's the other side. And finally, the middle part. Okay, both pins are here, taped up to the middle of the bar right here. We're going to just remove this. There we go. Here's the 2 pins that we're going to drive into both holes here on this side and this side. And on each side of the bar, we're going to connect them. First, let's line up the bar with the middle on one side. Insert one side. There we go, right in there. And make sure the hole lines up. You can see it right through there. That's perfect. Now take one of the pins and try to find the tapered side first. So this is the tapered side. You see how it's cut a little bit? As opposed to this side is just flat. So put the tapered side first. Inside the hole. Just like that. I have a mini sledgehammer that I can use. Alright, I have my sledgehammer here. And very carefully, just smash it in.
Stop making so fucking much noise. We're sleeping.
There we go. This has been smashed in securely. As you can see, it's really tight. There's no shaking. Perfect. Now, let's connect the other side. All right. Just push it inside here. Turn it a little bit. Perfect. Make sure you can see through it. All right, it's ready to go. All right, perfect. So same thing, put the tapered side in first. All right, and hammer away. All right, secure and ready to go. All right, this bar is ready to put some weight on it and work out. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a fully functioning weight bar. Now, keep in mind, it should not be shaking on either side. If it's shaking on one side, then it's not done correctly. As you can see here, the bar is completely in the hole on both sides. See, the pin is in there. You can see clearly through it. You should only see the grip on the bar. That's how you know you installed it correctly. Because if not, if you see like a little ring here, that means you didn't install it correctly. That means you may have to redo it. Because otherwise you would have it shaking. And that's happened to me before on another bar before in the past. But on both sides, as you can see, you don't see any seam here, which means you did it correctly. So it's not going to shake. So keep that in mind. No side should be shaking. If it is, you have to redo it. And if you make a mistake, it's not the end of the world. All you have to do is take a screwdriver the size of the pin and hammer it down with the same hammer you used to hammer the pins. Hammer this end and the pin should come right out. And make sure the screwdriver is thin enough to go through the whole bar, but not thin enough to go through the pin. And I don't recommend you use the bar if it's shaking, because that means it'll eventually break some way, somehow. It'll eventually fail you. So keep that in mind. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troy signing out.